Good morning all. I am Vikas Kumar. I am going to teach you class 7 maths 1B lesson. So here, question number 1 multiplies 16 by 9. Just show you. Multiplied 16 by 9 means 16 multiplied 9. 69 is 144. Answer. Second question is find each of the following products. 3 into 4 into minus 5. 3 into 4 into minus 5 equal to minus 3 4 are 12 into minus 5 is equal to plus minus 12 5 is 60 minus 60 answer. Next question of first and second will be your homework. Now third question. Find each of the following products. Question number 1, so here. Question number 1, minus 4 into minus 5 into minus 8 into minus 10. Minus 4 into minus 5 into minus 8 into minus 10 is equal to minus plus 4 5 is 20. Again minus plus 8 10 is 80. It is 16 1600 answer. Next is homework. Question number 4. What will be the sign of the product? What will be the sign of the product if we multiply 90 negative integers and 9 positive integers? 90 negative integers and 9 positive integers should here multiply. Let a negative integer is equal to minus 1 and a positive integer, not integers, this one is integer equal to plus 1. Now according to question, product of 90 negative integers and 9 positive integers. 90 negative integers. So 1 negative integer is minus 1. It means it has 90 times. 90 times. Minus 1 is multiplied 90 times. Not according to question. 90 times. 90 times. Result is plus 1 because 90 is a even number. When negative integer multiplied even times, the result is always in positive sign. Once again listen, when negative sign is multiplied even times, the result is always positive sign. So minus 1 into 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 minus 1, it means 90 times when multiplied, the result is always plus 1. Again, plus 1 into plus 1 into plus 1 into plus 1 multiplied 9 times, then result is always, because this is a plus, so product of positive integer is always positive, so result is positive integer. So plus 1 is. Now according to question, this is the product of negative integers 90 times and this result is plus 1, and this is the product of positive integers 9 times and this result is plus 1. Then according to question, both is multiplied, because question is said when we multiply 19 negative integers and 9 positive integers, then what will happen? According to question, our answer is always in positive sign. So what will be the sign of the product? Then we say that the sign of product is the sign of product is positive. Answer. Question number 5, once again, listen here. Look here. What will be the sign of the product if we multiply 103 negative integers? 103 negative integers and 65 positive integers. Let our negative integer is equal to -1 and a positive integer equal to +1. Now, product of negative integers, 103 negative integers. Again, -1 into -1 into -1 into -1 into -1. How much time? 103 times. Here 103 odd number. We can also say that here when negative integers multiplied odd times, when negative integers multiplied odd times, the result is always negative with negative sign. The result is always negative integer. When negative integer multiplied odd time, 103 is odd, so result is always negative. And +1 into +1, this is the product of positive integers. How much time? Uh, 65 times. 65 times. Result is here +1 is multiplied 65 times. It means the positive sign multiplied 65 times. Not matter. Positive sign multiplied even times or odd time, the result is always in positive sign, because positive into positive sign, and negative into negative positive integer, negative into negative integer. So odd multiplied, negative integer multiplied odd times negative, positive integer multiplied odd or even time always positive. Now we are going to question. This is the product of negative integers 103 times, and this is the product of positive integers 65 times. And when we go as a question, according to question, the result is minus into plus, minus 1 to 1, 1. Negative. What will be the sign of product? Hence, the sign of the product is negative. Thank you, friends. Next class will be held in next time.